Welcome to Diver's Pearl. Today, we're unboxing Citizen wristwatch. Citizen Stiletto Eco Drive AR3070-04L. It comes in Citizen high-quality box packaging. A recyclable wooden plus plastic and paper box. Citizen branding printed on box top. Here's our Citizen Stiletto Eco Drive watch. The second thinnest watch from Citizen. The case color is silver with blue dial. It comes in black leather calf strap and buckle, flip, clasp. In the box, it's wrapped on a fine leather cushion. The finest masterpiece from Citizen Watch Co., Japan. It has sapphire glass on dial. Subscribe. As you can see the thickness. It's only 5 mm in thickness. Even it's equal to the thickness of 3 credit cards together. Inside the box we get a leather and plastic watch holder around cushion, silica gel for preventing from moisture, Citizen branding tag with model number and caliber number identification. Instructions card with QR code to access online user manual. Citizen International Warranty card. Let's look the watch. This watch has a pull and push crown without any engraving. Crown size is even less than 2 mm. There is a hour's hand and a minute hand in the watch. There is no seconds hand because of less thickness. Inside the dial there is a solar panel that charges the watch from any light. Case black of the watch is made of stainless steel and is screwed. An Eco Drive and Citizen Stiletto branding is engraved on the case back. Other information like model number, serial number, caliber, and water-resistant rating is also engraved on back. This whole case is made of stainless steel alloy. Please subscribe channel. Just compare the watch thickness with instructions card. Now check strap and case thickness. Strap is made from genuine leather in 21 mm size. And strap is made in China. On the buckle there is also Citizen engraving. You've to work hard on crown for time adjustment, as it's very small. Once fully charged, watch can run for 6 months, even in dark. This watch can be charged from any light source. Eco Drive is a revolutionary earth-friendly technology that eliminates the need of frequent battery charging. Case is in a unique combination of 39 mm in dia and 5 mm in thickness. A perfect strap for 8 to 12 cm wrist circumference. Inside the dial there is no date or day display. Total 4 screws are installed on case back. This because it's only 50 meters of 5-bar water resistant. The Eco Drive movement also come with built-in overcharge prevention function. The case clings to a plush genuine leather, while the watch dial is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass. This watch has high-contrast hands. Thank you for watch our video. If you like our video, please do like the video and subscribe our channel Divers Pro. Also press bell icon for more updates. Subscribe.